Hi, my name is Albert Gomez, and I'm going to show you Kiro Commit Buddy, an AI-powered commit message generator that I built entirely using Kiro's spec-driven development approach. This tool analyzes your Git changes and generates professional commit messages following conventional commit format. Before seeing the tool into use, I'm going to show you the two requirements you need to satisfy before being able to use it. First, you're going to have to clone the Kiro Commit Buddy repository and copy the .kiro folder into whichever directory you're going to be working in. For example, let's say I have test repo in which I basically have an index.html file. You would copy the .kiro file into your directory to be able to use it. Second requirement is you're going to need to update this environment variable into your terminal just by going to the official Grok page and grabbing a free API key. This is, as I said, completely free and very easy to use. So let's put the tool to the test. So here I have index.html, which just represents a very simple HTML file. And here I have index.text.html, which is basically the same document, just for test. So in index, I'm going to remove an action button. And in index test, I'm going to change the justification to the right, for example. Now I'm going here, and let's push the work to the repository. So we go git add period. And instead of git commit -m and having to think about the message, we just execute this script. And it's going to propose a commit message that says exactly what we did. So in index.html, it says remove button element, and index test update CSS to center horizontally. So we're going to say, yes, I want to use this commit. And now we just proceed with git push. And when I go back to the repository and refresh the page, instead of some past changes, it tells us the exact message that it was just proposed. Now, I'm very quickly going to go through how I created this entirely with Kiro. So it all started by dividing the creation phase into three phases: requirements, design, and tasks. I told Kiro I want to create an AI commit buddy. He translated that into formal requirements, then created the architecture using these requirements, and then divided it into tasks, which I could simply click Start Task, and it would build upon the previous tasks. Regarding the key benefits and results, I would remark four of them. First of them is the development speed. What would usually take days or weeks for an entire team of devs of planning and coding took just some hours. Kiro generated over 15,000 lines of production-ready code across 12 Python modules. Regarding code quality, the generated code included comprehensive error handling, unit tests, and proper documentation, because all of this was specified in the design phase. Regarding maintainability, the modular architecture makes it easy to extend. Want to add a new AI provider? Just implement the interface. Need different commit formats? Modify this message generator. And for the real-world impact, the tool actually works in production. It handles binary files, encoding issues, network failures, and provides intelligent fallbacks. As a conclusion, Kiro's spec-driven development transformed how I build software. Instead of jumping straight to code, I now start with clear requirements, let Kiro help design the architecture, and then execute tasks systematically. The result, a professional-grade tool that I actually use daily, but built in a fraction of the time it would take traditionally. That's the power of spec-driven development with Kiro.